by. Today it is Thursday the 19th of November, day 15 of Blackpool's month-long lockdown, and I am on the South Promenade because I just love it out here. The sea is in. It's not quite high tide yet. I think high tide's around 1 o'clock and it's around 12 PM now. I'm not really sure of the exact time. Haven't got my watch on. But it doesn't matter because I'm here and you get to enjoy the promenade with me. You'll probably get to see this video on Friday because I am trying to pre-record a few videos to put up on Friday and Saturday because I'm taking a break from YouTube Friday and Saturday for family reasons. But for now, you get to enjoy the prom with me. It's quiet and it's fresh and it is cold, but it's not unpleasantly freezing, so really it is a great day for a walk. Watching the waves come in and relaxing and listening to the sound of the sea. The sun there behind the clouds. And obviously the trains are all up because the sea's on its way in. It's a fairly high tide today, it's not a massive high tide and it's definitely not going to come over defences or anything because whilst there is some wind, it's not anywhere near windy enough to bring the tide over the Vale. So I'm going to swing over this way and we can take a look at hotels and apartments on the prom. Some beautiful view of the tower looking that way. And a lovely view of the prom. And a great view of a tram going past there. I like the sounds of the trams, but I did prefer the sound that the old trams made, that familiar rattle as it ran over the tracks. I just heard a seagull then, and then suddenly I just realised that I'm not seeing that many seagulls. Normally there's loads of them flying around, but at this moment in time I can't really see any. And this is a great space to walk, and it's also a lot safer with the new defences for all the hotels on the other side, because this was an area where floods did occur. But not only have you got the new sea defences coming from the beach itself, you've got this wider prom area and you have this. So even if there's a massive high tide, it would take a lot for any significant amounts of water to get over there. the water did splash over during Stormcare, because I did film that, and again I've got many videos of Stormcare on my channel. It was actually great fun filming that. So if you want to check out my Stormcare videos, just search my channel for the playlist, because they're all playlisted. I do try to playlist everything so people can find things a lot easier. I've actually got almost 3,000 videos on my channel now. I said in a previous vlog, oh, I've got over 2,000, because I wasn't sure how many I had, but when I actually checked, it's over 2,900. That is absolutely crazy. So many videos. And there's about to be a lot more added. I'm going to walk up this slope now. This is quite a high slope. If you stand on the top of it, you can see how high I was up. So this is how good these sea defences are around here. And even if anything manages to get over there, we've got this grass, and that is also defences, I suppose, because the water would sink into the ground rather than just going across the road. So I'm going to walk around this little curvy path and get back to the tram tracks and cross over. Then I'm going to go down Watery Road. The wind is getting a little bit stronger now. Now it's getting closer to high tide. I can feel the wind getting a bit stronger. It's blowing right into my back. Well, kind of in my back and kind of to the side as well. Kind of northwesterly wind. And round this corner we go, and this will take me directly opposite Watery Road. You can see the Trams there, that's on the corner of Watery Road. And Watery Road actually has its own tram stop. So if you want to go to Watery Road, you can get off the tram right there. Well, I am going to end this video now, so I'm going to go with my usual outro. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a like and a comment. Please subscribe, and I shall see you all soon in the next video. Goodbye.